So hello guys, happy to have you back once again. Okay, if you're ready to understand mathematics, stay with me because I don't rush, I don't skip steps, and I don't complicate things. All right, I've been explaining cycle geometry using the rules one after the other. So do well to like, subscribe, and stay back for this explanation of rule 6 using this question you are seeing. So let's go there. Now in this question, the unknown that we have B, we have A. The angles that I have 66 and I have 44. So I'm asked to find A and B, okay? The rules that we are going to use here, which according to my numbering is rule 6. The rule states that angles subtended by an arc, this is our arc, angles subtended by an arc in the same segment are equal. That is, this is an arc, right? So this angle and this angle are equal. That is the idea of the rule. Another one, this angle and this angle alone are equal. Angle in the what? Angle subtended by an arc in the same segment are what? Are equal. That is the rule we are going to use to solve this question and this question. So let's go there. Now, to solve for B, applying this rule, this from here to here, the same arc, right? So angle 44 is the same thing with this angle. So let me call this angle X. Let me just use X, okay? Or you can just go ahead and use it like that. So that means X is equal to 44, right? Good, because I need this angle in order to find this angle. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply sum of angles in a triangle, that is this plus this is equal to 180. So I have 66 plus X plus B equal to 180 degrees. Okay, good. I know my X already 44, so 66 plus 44 plus B equal to 180 degrees, right? Good. Now if I add this, it's going to give me 110. So carry 110 to this side is going to be minus 110. So I have B is equal to 180 minus 110, right? Good. So my B now is going to be what? 70 degrees, okay? Since B is 70 degree now, the next thing is I'm going to find my A's. I have two ways I can use to find my A. I can decide to use B is vertically opposite this angle, right? I can decide to use that, but because I'm trying to explain angle on the same segment, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is that angle 66 is on the same segment or in the same same arc is from here to here. You see the same arc. So that means 66 is equal to only this angle. Only this angle. So here, let me call it Y. Okay, good. So my Y is equal to 66 based on this rule. Angle in the same segment, okay, created by the same arc are equal. So since here is 66, the next thing is I'm going to apply angle on a straight line to find my A. So I will add this plus this equal to 180. So I have Y plus A equal to 180. That is sum of angles on a straight line. But I know that my Y is 66. So I'm going to have 66 plus A equal to 180. Okay, carry 66 to this side. I have A now equal to 180 minus 66. Okay, the next thing is I'm going to subtract. So my A is equal to 114 degrees. You see, very simple. Okay, so watch the video again, study the shape and see how this rule is being applied. If you understood this or if you have a question related to this, do well to share it with me. I would love to explain the question to you. Okay, bye.